so although we wanted to go into acting, but he was also determined to finish it and he chose the so much so na lagi na kasama doon sa fila.
Parts niya and movies na ginawa niya for over 40 years. I think we were making the caption, we were like, how many decades? We were like, I think over 40 years. So he's very proud of like his awards, sa lahat ng medium, diba, whether stage, TV, films, like ginagawa niya yung best niya in every role and talagang nakaka-deliver siya. But I think, yung legacy talaga niya is the person he was. And like, I can see it right here, ang dami niyang friends. Kahit hindi ko na sila kilala lahat, yung mga lumalapit na, oh my gosh, your dad was so good to us. He never forgot us. Palagi siyang nandyan, life of the party, masayahin.
I feel so proud of that.